Let's get straight to it. 2000 Lincoln Town Car. This is the 4.6 liter engine. All right, so if you need to change your serpentine belt on this, it's very, very easy. Your tensioner is right here. Just put your tensioner tool in here, or you can use a ratchet or a breaker bar with an adapter, and you can get you want to turn this clockwise this way, so that way it can loosen the belt and you can get the belt off. And this is also good to show you how the belt is routed. So up here on the idler pulley, over to the alternator, down to the power steering pump, and it comes down also around the crank. Around here, this is the water pump, and it goes over here around the tensioner and down and up the AC pulley, and then back up to the idler. So that's how the belt is routed on here. So now I'm going to show you how to actually remove it. I'm going to grab my serpentine belt tool, just get it right in here like that, turn that clockwise, and now I can remove this belt. So just like that, the belt's off. Now all we have to do is route our new belt in. So just like that, guys, we got the belt changed. I was able to get it around all of the pulleys. We took it off very easily and we got it back on very easily. So again, this is good for you to see the diagram as well. Also, mostly for you to see how this gets changed.